All right, essay writing, workbook number 1, where to begin. So here, what is an essay? The word essay comes from the French verb essayer, meaning to attempt or to try. Writing an essay is therefore a learning process. The word essays was first used to describe a piece of writing composed in 1588 by the French writer Michael de Montaigne, who explained, "It is myself I portray." This refers to the fact that an essay is a presentation of a writer's own thoughts on any given topic. Therefore, an essay is written, compositioned to present the writer's views on a particular subject in a clear and specific manner. Essays are used by teachers and examiners to assess your understanding of ideas and your ability to explain these in your own words. They are a form of non-fictional prose that describe, clarify, argue, or analyze a subject, usually in an answer to a specific question. Essays are common forms of assessment in many different academic subjects, such as English literature, history, or business studies. Essays are usually relatively short pieces of writing, but the same skills can also be applied to longer pieces of academic writing. For example, coursework. These and dissertations, although these are often much greater in length. Essays and similar forms of academic writing follow a standard format and are made up of an introduction, a main body where the main points are presented, and a conclusion. How to begin writing an essay. The subject matter of an essay may be assigned to you in the form of a question, sometimes as a statement. It is important to first make sure that you understand the question before you begin writing. If you have not been given a specific question, it is a good idea to think about the general topic you have been assigned and devise a specific question which you could answer. For example, if the topic you have been given is dogs, think about your current knowledge of dogs and think of a question that is relevant to your knowledge and experience, but also allows you to express a clear opinion. For example, is a dog a good pet to own? All right, so activity 1. Practice making up some specific essay questions for the general topics below. Number 1, books. Number 2, space. And number 3, games. Understanding the question. If you are asked to answer a specific question, you must make sure that you understand exactly what the question is asking. As a good essay needs to be specific in its content, you must ensure you only include information that is relevant to the question. You will never be asked to write down absolutely everything that you know about a topic. Instead, you will need to interpret the requirement for one specific aspect of that topic as raised by the question. Command words. Start by underlining or highlighting the keywords or phrases in your question. Use the context around each keyword to help you understand what is required. For example, discuss briefly or discuss in the context of. The context means the circumstances or situation behind an event, statement, or idea. It is sometimes difficult to understand the specific meaning of a word without this context. Instruction or command words indicate what the assessor wants you to present in your written assignment. It is vital that you understand the meanings of these command words so that you can answer all parts of the essay question. Here are some examples. Compare, contrast, describe, define, discuss, evaluate, explain, illustrate, justify, outline. Activity 2. Can you think of any other command words often used in essay questions? Activity 3. Students who understand the specific meanings of command words are in a better position to answer any essay question. You're going to match the following words to the appropriate definition. So all of these words are the same words that we just went through up here. And you're just going to look up and use the dictionary. You can use the book dictionary, you can use the online dictionary to find the definition to match to each word. Question analysis top tips. The following steps can be used to analyze all essay questions regardless of topic. Read the whole question twice. Look for the topic words. These tell you the specific topic you need to focus on. Look for command words. These tell you exactly what the assessor is asking you to do with the information about a topic. 2 or more command words in a question means that you will have to answer each part of the question in order to produce a good essay. And number 4, rewrite the question in your own words. This step is good practice to make sure that you understand exactly what you are being asked to do. If possible, ask the assessor to check your version of the essay question against the original to make sure that your understanding is correct. So, activity number 4. Take a look at the following essay questions. Follow the steps above in order to ask someone to check your rewritten question/essay titles for accuracy. So for the purpose of all of these activities, I will be the one to be checking, or if we do partner work, then your partner will be able to check. Okay? So these are the top tips you'll be using to help you answer these 3 questions. So question number 1, discuss how video games can affect children. Use specific examples to support your view. Number 2, explain how the main character in Artemis Fowl changes and develops throughout the novel. Number 3, define what is meant by the word absolutism in Europe in the 1500s, 1600s. Refer to the Glorious Revolution in your answer. So for some of these, remember, you don't have to know exactly what happened in the books to do these questions, because you're using the tips, right? You are rewriting your questions/titles.